Hi my loves. Today guys, I'm going to be walking us through as a beginner what a beginner studio setup looks like when I'm creating content. So in case you're looking at starting content creation in this 2024 and you don't know what to work with, or you're looking for the simplest and the most minimalistic studio setup ever, I think you have inspiration from my own and start your content creation journey, right? So I'm going to be covering up the camera I use to create my content, what I use for my audio, my editing software, the lighting, and any other thing that comes to my mind that I feel I want to share with you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started with this video. What camera do I use to create my content? I still create my content with my smartphone, and the phone I currently use to shoot my videos is my Samsung S9. Before, I used to make use of Infinix Hot 9, but I recently just invested in this one. This is the pack of the phone I currently use. I also like to add that I shoot my video with the back camera of my phone. You might not know this. Even if you create your content with an iPhone and you feel like the front camera of your phone is getting the job done, you cannot compare the back camera of your phone with the front camera of your phone. The back camera of your phone will give you 100 times better quality than what you're experiencing from the front camera of your phone. And I understand. While shooting with the back camera of your phone, you can't tell what is going on in front of your phone. So due to that, guys, I also went ahead to invest in this gadget right here. So this is a phone mirror. I recently did an unboxing video of this gadget. I'm going to put the link to that here, or it might be at the end screen of those videos. Even though I'm shooting with the back camera of my phone, with the aid of this mirror, I'm able to see whatever it is that is going on in front of my phone. So that is that for the camera I use and everything concerning my camera. And now let's move down to the audio. The gadget I use to record my audio is this Boye by M1 microphone. I simply plug in the head into my phone and I clip the microphone head on my clothes. That's currently what I'm working with. The Samsung phone I currently use to shoot my videos supports the use of external microphone, so I don't have to go through the hassle of buying extra cables to be able to connect it. This was the first microphone I ever bought and it served me for a couple of years before this one stopped working. I had to reinvest by repurchasing the Boye by M1. The wire of this microphone is very long, so even if I want to do vlogging inside my room or my kitchen, this wire can cover up for me. So this is what I use after recording with my phone. I also go ahead to enhance the audio quality of my video during the editing process. So now let's move over to the lighting, guys. So whenever I'm creating my content, especially if it's a sit down video, my lighting setup is usually always the same thing. So I make use of the total of 9 lights whenever I'm creating. How this building is constructed, I find it very difficult to experience the luxury of natural light. Even when the weather is very sunny and bright, my room is always looking like it's evening or it is midnight. Previously, my room used to have just 2 wall lights on the wall. I'm a content creator. I need as much light as possible. So I went ahead to invest in extra 5 lights on the ceiling. That is the total of 7 lights is what is currently going on my ceiling. I have a ring light going on here which is serving as a soft bus covering this area of my face, but the key light whenever I'm creating my video is actually on the ceiling. That is what gives a major source of light in my videos. I have another one serving as a backlight, covering up the shadows at the background and also giving a little bit of warm cinematic light going on at the back. I have the total of 9 lights like I stated before. Now for the software I use in editing my videos, I make use of Capcut, you guys. When I was starting out content creation, I was making use of KineMaster. I was also making use of InShot, you guys, before I decided to just settle with Capcut. It does the professional work. Whatever it is you want to do on Capcut, you can achieve that using the free version of Capcut. I color grade using Capcut. After creating your content, the raw file might not be looking aesthetically pleasing. So on Capcut, I add the colors I want to add to it to give it this pop and extra beauty you guys are saying. I also go ahead to enhance the quality of my audio. Aside from how I shoot, I go ahead to enhance the quality to give it this crisp and clear sound. Alright, then after editing my videos and all of that, you guys, before now, as a beginner creator who does not have the luxury of surplus data to upload your video after creating, I used to make use of video compressor to compress the size of my video so that I will be able to upload it on YouTube. Now, video compressor only reduces the size of your video, but it does not compress the quality of the video. I've tried to compare my video after compressing it and before compressing it, and I've noticed that the quality of the video is usually the same before and after, just that the size of the video reduces. That's what I used to do before, but currently I no longer do it. It's not because I have the luxury of MB though. For me now, I'm more of quality than quantity. I might resume tomorrow. Then after all of this has been done on my video, how I upload my video is, instead of coming to the YouTube app to upload my video, I go to my browser. On the Google Chrome there, I type studio.youtube.com and I turn on the desktop site version of it, and that is where I upload my video. Do you know that my generator just went off because I wasn't having fuel? So I just rushed back from filling station where I went to buy fuel so that I will continue with this video and complete it. You guys, can you see? Do you see the efforts we put in to bring out quality content to you guys? Alright, let's get back to the video. When you upload your video using the desktop site, you have the privilege to turn on so many features which are not available if you were uploading your video using the YouTube app itself, or if you're making use of the Studio Creator app itself, right? It has a separate box where you can add about 500 words for your hashtags, and you can still add additional hashtags if you want on your description, right? Those are the ones that you can see if you're watching the videos on YouTube. And aside from that, there's so many other features, you guys. Even before making your video public, it gives you the privilege of checking if your video has violations, which you can rectify before then moving ahead to publish your video. But if you choose to just upload using the YouTube app, all of this you won't be able to do it. There's so many other things which I did not list that you have the privilege to do. These are all of the activities that goes on during production and after production before you guys see my video. I hope you guys found this video helpful because that's my intention. And the video I'm going to be recording is how I color grade my video. Color grading simply means adding color to your video to give it that very beautiful, aesthetic and cinematic look. So let me give you guys a clip of how this video looks. So this is how this video looks after recording, but after color grading, that's the visual you will see. If you know that sounds like something you're interested in, you guys be expecting that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'm going to see you guys in another one. Bye!